or maybe looking for ways to make some extra money? Well, maybe it's in your closet. A suburban mother of 4 is now making big bucks by finding clothes to flip into cash. Megan Morris, the co-founder of Posh Project. It is an online platform which helps women shop for success right online. Megan, good morning.
Good morning. I used to 1 hour to downtown. That was me, baby, every day. And now I'm here. I don't have to go anywhere.
You don't miss it, do you?
I do not miss that. No, ma'am, I do not.
Okay, so tell me a little bit about what you've done, because I am dying to hear about this, because I just started cleaning out my closet the other day. I probably have a lot of money in there.
Oh, you do. You have lots of money in there. That's the perfect place to start. This is a no overhead startup job that I have been doing on the side. It was my side hustle for 25 years. And then when the pandemic hit and I was laid off, my company closed up, I pivoted to my online business and I blew it up. So I had to do Girl Scouts. My marketing and efforts that I was putting towards a corporation and put it towards myself. And it's been so much fun. I shop for a living. I don't have a clothing budget at my home. I find all the things that my family needs out in the world and bring it home. And the other things that I sell, pay for those things. And I make $55,000 a year on top of that. So it can be done. And I have made all the mistakes and done all of the things that you shouldn't do. And I've learned how to do it right. And we have courses online that you can figure it out through that. It's real easy. And we're loving it. We're having a great time. We've formed a community of very loyal friends on all the resale sites, and especially Poshmark. It is a social media platform. Yeah. And we work together to sell our stuff, and it's so much fun.
So Megan, let me ask you this. What makes reselling an ideal work from home business, especially for women, and how do you help them?
Well, I have all these videos, these courses that I teach them how to do what I do, which is shop, which is probably the hardest part, going into a store, figuring out what you need to bring home and make money. It's really, the key is to buy as low as you can and sell high. So you have to find those things. We go to estate sales, I go to thrift shops, and we have all these fun little videos right here that that keeps people engaged and keeps people having fun. We have contests and all kinds of fun stuff that gets people engaged. But it's an amazing job. I mean, I shop for a living. I shop for a living. You know, we lost 1 in 4 women to the pandemic, perhaps forever, because they couldn't get back to their jobs disappeared, like mine, or their kids were still online, remote, and they couldn't go back. And then importantly, women wanted to stay home with their children, and that's okay. The stigma of resale is over. These kids these days, they want real 90s clothing. They want real 80s jeans, the Levi's with the orange tabs. There is a huge market for this stuff. And the fast fashion that's making the copies of it that fall apart, they're killing our planet. They're fashion is the number 2 pollutant in the world, next to oil, that's ruining our planet. And it's unnecessary. There's all this beautiful quality clothes. They made it through 1 or 2 owners before, and they're in the thrift shops waiting for you. And it's a treasure hunt. I mean, you played Pirates when you were a kid. I mean, look at this. I pulled a few things. This is a vintage Givenchy purse that I purchased at an estate sale for a few dollars. It's listed on my site for $900. So, and I've sold Givenchy before, and it sells. This is an Yves Saint Laurent purse. It's got pony hair on it. This is for over $1,000. I found it in a thrift shop. Somebody threw this away. It's incredible. Here's Gucci. I got Gucci.
Still my heart.
Right? Gorgeous Gucci. I mean, this stuff can be found. A lot of it is estate sales, and they're everywhere, and they always have a 50% off day. You get in there on the last day, and for whatever reason, most people go to estate sales to find furniture.
Sure.
I go for the clothes. I go right up to the closet and get in there, and there are so many treasures, and it's just, you know.
Megan, let me interrupt you real quick, because I want you to give us one good tip for some woman who's at home watching this who wants to get started. What's that one tip you would tell her?
Oh, exactly what we were just talking about when we first started. Go into your own closet. You don't have to go out and spend a dime to get started. You can go right into your own closet, find all those treasures that you never wear. There's lots of things in there that you don't wear. Lay them all out on your bed and start taking pictures. It's so simple. And you can do it. You can do
So
this.
how far should you mark it up? I guess that's what I'm thinking, because I'm listening to you, then I'm going, wow, I could do this. How far should you mark it up? How do you decide that?
Well, the internet is there and it's ready for you. We were talking about the iPods earlier and Googling. Everything is there. You can search sold items on Poshmark or on eBay or on Google and find sold items, so you can find your exact thing and know exactly what you should list it for. So it's really easy. And Poshmark does have a social algorithm, which is different than all the other sites. So you do have to engage with the site, but I've learned all that and I have all of it laid out for everybody. So it's really, really simple and it's fun.
It is fun. Megan, thank you. Yeah, you are having fun. And we could go on. You and I could chat about this for forever, but we are out of time. Thank you so much for joining us and getting up early.
All right. Have a good day.
Val and